YouTubers are back, and the LT1 is now out of the S10, and the small block is now in the S10. It's basically a pretty simple small block Chevy, big head, solid roller cam, pump gas, 355 at 10 3-to-1 compression. Cam's a little big for it, but that's okay because I needed something that was going to go pretty good on the back end of the track, and this one definitely will. This is the 7,000 RPM small block Chevy. It's just a pretty simple setup. All I did this time to go a little bit better on the RPM was put bigger headers. Those are the old ones. I put the new ones in here. They're definitely a little bit bigger, and it's still full exhaust out the back. When I go to the track, I am going to use the cutouts and run these guys. So that's going to be pretty loud, but at the track it'll be okay. Let's talk about the old LT1. The LT1 ran pretty good. The best run I had in the LT1, I'll flash up the time slip, was on a 125 hit, and it ran 1078. And that was the best run I can get out of that thing. What happened with this motor, the reason why I ended up taking out is because I could put more nitrous to it. It would run faster in the 8th, but it would not run that much faster in the quarter because it is just running out of cam, motor, hydraulic roller. This is the cam that was in it. Let's get a little focus. And there's the cam that's in the LT1. It's a little hydraulic roller, pretty decent sized cam. But I tell you what, it all worked really good. It had a best run at 1150 at 117 motor. And a little pump gas motor. All it is home pointed heads in a cam and a stock intake. And that's all it took to go 10s with that motor. But enough about the old LT1. I'm not sure if we're going to do something different to this. I still have to check out the block because I sprayed more nitrous, ended up burning up 3 plugs. And I kind of heard a slight little knock, so I think I might have been a rod. We're going to find out later on, so look for that video. I'm going to be taking this guy apart. So anyways, back to the S10. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of pulls in this. One pull was 1st through 3rd in A. Another pull was on nitrous, a 125 hit. Just testing it out. 2nd to about 6,000 RPM in 3rd. Anyways, enjoy.